Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group, and today I'm in a DeBary community. Cindy was nice enough to open up this home. It's actually ready to go now. It's not decorated like a model, but keep your imagination open. It's absolutely gorgeous inside, priced great. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you the inside. This home is actually available now. There's just a few little touch-ups to do on the inside. It's in a great location in DeBary, priced at $399. Just off of 1792 near I-4 and 417. You have your family room at the front. You come into your kitchen and a dining room over here. You have the Harry Potter room, under the stairs storage, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. This is your half bath. You have a 2-car garage and 1,816 square feet of living space with the pavers out front. You have your pantry space over here in the corner. And at the front door, you have the conservation view. Lots and lots of privacy. On the second floor, you have all 3 bedrooms. So you have your first bedroom, the closet space, the second bedroom, closet right here, a full-size bathroom with your shower and tub, the laundry room conveniently located on the second floor, and then your primary bedroom suite. Sorry about the light, it's out right now, but if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Amanda Haynes. This home will not last long, so please reach out if you are interested. I'd be happy to help. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.